Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to hack Csgo. First you need to download this file, this website that we share. Just click on download now, no ads. It will just I will reload and show you. You can just click on download now and it will save the file. So after that you will get these files, then you know no password on the rare file. Then what you need to do, first you need to go to desktop. First you need to click on injector. First time when you open this, it will say terms and conditions. You just click on agree, and then it will say first we will download the DLL, but you don't need to do, so just cancel it, and this page will open. You just need to close this page. You already have the DLL. Then what you want to do, you need to go to the DLL and you need to click on install this file. You need to click open, and then it will install it, and then it will say successful, and then you just need to go here. Just need to click OK, and then this pop-up will show. Once this pop-up is shown, it means you have installed the hack properly. Now you can go into Csgo and hit the insert key to run the hack. So I will show you now. And the hack is ready. Here you can change the settings. You need to click the insert key, and here you will get all the settings. Whichever settings you want, you can just edit it. Aimbot, standalone, trigger, fake lag, bunny hop. You can try out your own settings using the bot settings, but I'll just click keep the already which settings are there. Then aimbot is already enabled.